this video, we are going to set up a small local area network using 6 computers connected in a star topology. We'll start by creating crossover Ethernet cables, then connect all devices through a switch, configure IP addresses, disable the firewall for testing, and finally verify connectivity using pin commands. As the first step, we prepared our Ethernet cable using Cat5e UTP cable. We measured the required length and carefully stripped both ends using cable stripper, making sure not to damage the internal twisted pairs. Inside the cable, we have 4 twisted pairs, making a total of 8 wires. On my end, I am arranging the wires according to T568A wiring standard. From left to right, the order is white, green, green, white, orange, blue, white, blue, orange, white, brown, and brown. I align all wires evenly, making sure they are straight and in the correct order. At the other end, we arrange the wires according to the T568B standard from left to right. The colors are white, orange, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, white, brown, and brown. Next, we carefully insert the arranged wires into the RJ45 connector, ensuring each wire goes fully into its pin slot. Once everything is aligned, place the connector into the crimping tool and press firmly to secure the pins into the wires. Then the both ends are now successfully crimped. Now let's test the cable using a LAN cable tester. Connect one end to the main unit and the other end to the remote unit, turn it on and watch the LEDs blink. If all 8 LEDs light up and the crossover indicator is on, it means the cable is correctly wired as a crossover cable. Next, we'll test the cable with a tone generator and probe. Connect the tone generator to one end and activate the signal, then use the probe at the other end to detect the signal pairs. The pair should appear as shows in the table. This confirms that the transmit and receive pairs are crossed correctly, exactly what we need for a crossover cable. With this test, we know the cable is fully functional. Cables were ready. We connected all 6 computers to a central network switch. This forms a star topology where each device connects directly to the switch. Each PC was labeled according to its role: client, developer, DNS and DHCP server, web server, database server, and mail server. Next, we configure the IP addresses manually. We use the network range 10.20.30.48/28 with subnet mask of 255.255.255.240. On each computer, we open the control panel, then went to network and internet, then click on network and sharing center, then select change adapt settings and right click on Ethernet, choose properties, then selected Internet Protocol version 4 and click properties. Here we started to use the following IP addresses and entered the assigned IP addresses for each PC. For example, the database server 10.20.30.54, the web server 10.20.30.53, the mail server 10.20.30.52, the DNS and DHCP server was assigned by 10.20.30.51, the developer PC 10.20.30.50. Till now, the client PC was assigned 10.20.30.62. For testing connectivity, we temporarily disable the Windows firewall to prevent ICMP packets from being blocked. To do this, we open Control Panel, then selected Windows Defender Firewall, then click on Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off and select the Turn off Windows Defender Firewall for both private and public networks. This ensures that ping requests will not be blocked during testing. Now we verified connectivity using the pin command. On the client PC, we open command prompt by pressing Windows plus R or type CMD and pressing enter. Then we type ping followed by the IP address of another PC. For example, ping 10.20.30.52 to test the database server, ping 10.20.30.53 to test the web server, and pin 10.20.30.52 to test the mail server, we receive successful replies from all machines confirming proper connectivity. We repeated the same process from the developer PC and other systems to ensure full network communication. All systems responded without packet loss, proving that the physical connection and IP configuration were correct. At this stage, our physical network setup is complete. All devices are properly connected in a star topology. IP addresses are configured correctly, the firewall is adjusted for testing, and full connectivity has been verified using pin test. Now the network is ready for DSCP and DNS configuration in the next stage.